Hi everybody, this is Coach Jess and I'm going to show you how to use TradingView on your mobile device. So right here at the bottom is where your pair or your ticker is. Your watch lists are going to be on the bottom left. To get to your chart, you're going to use this option here. Any trade ideas you want to submit, news, and your menu. Your menu is basically going to be your settings, any chats that you have, and if you want to change your theme, okay? And if you want to actually draw on your chart, you can change your time frame by clicking here. Your favorites will have a star, so they'll transfer over from your desktop. So you can click on that. You don't have to actually click on it. You can just hold it and scroll up and down, which is really cool to alternate between time frames. Now, when you hit this plus sign, you have your drawings, any indicators you want to add. If you alerts, you can do the compare option or templates. If you want to share your chart, you click on share chart picture, which I really do like. I personally prefer the copy link. So if you're ever sending me a chart, please click copy link. It will then let you know that it's been copied and pasted. I prefer that over a picture because sometimes pictures become distorted. Secondly, if you want to get straight to your drawing tools, just click that pencil and you will see where your immediate tools are here. Okay. And then your favorites will be on the top, which is really cool. So if you've already marked your favorites on your desktop, they will transfer over and be on top. And then everything else that you need will be here as well. The last three dots on the right are basically giving you the option to undo something. Go to full screen, change your time frame. You can also connect your broker. A few of you asked if you want to change between certain candles. How do you do that? This is where you would do it. You click on chart type, and then you have the option to switch, okay, which is really nice. Also, your chart settings are here. So any adjustments that you would want to make to your candlesticks, to your background color, all that good stuff is there. Now, for example, you see how I have this black line here? If you click on it once, you have the option, if you have presets, you can click on, you can click on this right here and they will pop up. If you want to change the color, you click there. If you want to change the thickness, that would be it. And then if you want to delete it, you can. There are other options. So if you click the three dots, these are the additional options that it gives you. So if you want to add an alert, you just click on that. You put whatever parameters you like, and then you would go ahead and create the alert. Once you create the alert, you will see a little alarm symbol will pop up here. And if you want to delete the alert, same thing. If you can click these three dots, go to edit horizontal line alert, and you can delete the alert. Okay. If you want to delete your line, you just hit the delete button, the trash button. If you want to delete everything on your screen, you go to drawings and you go all the way to the right and you click remove, and it gives you the option to remove all drawings, all indicators, or everything all at once, and that will go ahead and reset the chart for you. If you want to add a watch list, just click on watch list on the bottom left, click the plus sign, type in the name that you want to name it, and you can just add your symbols right here. So you click here and you can go ahead and add your symbols. So your USD, bam. If you want to add a stock, put the ticker in. If you don't know the ticker, let's say you don't know what Tesla is, it'll pop up right here and bam. So that's how you add a watch list. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. And yeah, let me know if there's anything else you want me to cover.